I'm going to use a mason jar lid and plastic bottles to make a planter. Cut off the bottleneck with a cap. I use 8-ounce bottles in this example. Trim off the bottleneck to a desirable height. Cut a desirable size hole in the cap. Make it large enough for the plant of your choice. In this example I prepare 3 bottlenecks. Later I may widen the small holes in the caps as needed. 3 small-sized bottlenecks fit on this jar lid. Unscrew a cap from a bottleneck. Use a permanent marker to mark spots for the holes in the lid for each bottleneck. Make sure to leave some space between holes for caps. I use a pocket knife to cut holes following the inner side of the marked lines. Use a screwdriver to bend the insides of the lid's sharp edges of each hole. Screw bottlenecks through the holes. The screw goes inside of the jar. And screw caps on the bottlenecks. Congratulations! We have made a planter with 3 holes. And here is an example of a planter with 1 large hole. The same size lid may fit different size jars. Put the planter on the jar. Check my previous videos on how to set up aquariums in jars in such. I put links in the description to the video. And that is where you can find a list of all the plants I have been growing in my self-sustaining aquarium gardens. Here you can see just few examples. And on the right is another example of a planter with smaller sized holes. Check my videos showing how to make this and other planters as well. Have fun and happy aquarium gardens!